Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down in order to find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down again to find this ringtone section. As you can see, we can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the first option, and the second one is the notification sound. I will show you how to do it using the phone ringtone, so let's tap on it, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, at the very top we've got an option on this device, and after tapping on it, you will be transferred to your own files. So if you will have some, for example, downloaded or recorded, as you can see we've got the recordings, then you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back and to the defaultly installed ringtones, and basically all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it. And as you can hear, you can check the ringtones. And if you're happy with your choice, so for example, let's pretend that I want to set this night option as my ringtone, just make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your OPPO Reno 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.